How to add a timer or countdown in CapCut PC. So first of all, launch the CapCut desktop app, then simply create a new project. Here, as you can see, I have already created my project and drag and drop the video into the timeline. Now, in order to keep the countdown or timer, first of all, let's open the Google web browser. Then in the search address bar, search for the countdown or timer free videos. Then you'll be navigated to Pixels or Pixabay or other websites where they provide the free videos. Simply tap on it and choose the countdown you prefer. Scroll down, you'll get to see various options available there, or else you can also make the specific type of countdown you want by typing down the search address bar. So here I prefer this one. Let's simply tap on it and tap on the download option available there. Choose the quality and download it. Wait for a while, then drag and drop it to the desktop. Then again drag and drop and upload it to the CapCut PC. Then again drag and drop it to the timeline right in front of your video. Now you can simply play the video, and as you can see the timer has begun. Then your video includes the timer, and that is it. Now if you feel like the timer is a bit long for the video, then you can simply crop it as well, trim it and make it to the seconds you prefer. Let me just keep it up to 5 seconds and you can play it again. And once satisfied, you can simply download this to your device. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.